what is up guys? So today we have with us the COMICA professional audio mic. So this is a pin-on mic and it comes with a lightning port. So this is only for iPhone. The only way you could use it with other with other audio ports or headphone jack, you would need a adapter for that to work. But this is built specifically for iPhone, iPad and iPod. So you can see here, made for iPhone, iPad and iPod. So this is a 6 meter long, which is pretty long. I think that is like, I'm not sure the conversion in feet. And as you guys can see on the back here, it says whatever it's made for. You see iPhone XR, you see iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and so on, and all those stuff. So they sent this to me. I want to thank them first and foremost for sending this to me for me to review and give my honest opinion. They didn't told me what to say or anything like that, just so you guys know. So let's take it out of the package real quick. So right away, it is still in the package, nice and sound. The manual is right in here and the box is empty. So here's our manual right here, or maybe this is a thank you card or something. Let's see. Oh, warranty instructions. So there's no manual, so I'm guessing this is pretty much straightforward. So here you can see the pin-on mic is really long, and I can really appreciate that is really long. I personally requested the longer one because I think longer is better. So yeah, I got the longer one. So with that said, I'm gonna test it out. It is literally straightforward. Like, they have on all the accessories for you. You have the little, what do you call it, the cat or the diffuser or whatever they call it. You have it on here, so I'm guessing you get some nice crispy sound. You won't be hearing the wind directly in your mouth. So if you're that guy who wants to do like interviews for YouTube or whatever in the public and just plug this into your iPhone and go, then this is for you. But I'm gonna test it out and see if this can actually work good on an iPhone. So I'm not sure what this box is for. I don't see any button on it. It might be just like a port for the connections to go, but I don't see any button or anything in this box here, or any volume thing to turn it on and turn it off. So I'm guessing this, you just basically plug it in and it works. So yeah, you basically just plug it in and it should work. So I'm gonna do that right now and test it out and be right back with you guys. Better yet, I'm not gonna even cut the video. You know what, I'm gonna cut the video because I only have two hands and I'm currently holding this with one hand. So I'm gonna plug up my iPhone right here. Sadly, I only have one lightning port. There's no headphone jack or anything. If I did have a headphone jack, I still couldn't really like say plug it in because I don't have like a adapter or anything. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug it in and put up my sound recorder on my iPhone and let's test it out right away. So I'll be right back guys. Alright guys, so right away we're gonna plug it in right here. You can see I'm gonna plug it in right here, just like that, inside. Boom, clicks, nice and easy. It is firmly in place, which I really appreciate. That is like firmly tight and in place. Not every USB or USB lightning port or whatever you call it plugs in and fits so good in the hole. So you get a strong sturdy fit, so you don't have to worry about this sliding out, which is pretty good. So with that said, let's get right into testing. So I know you guys are pretty excited to hear how it sounds. Also, I'm pretty excited, but first let us find a sound recorder on my iPhone real quick. So hope you guys can see my screen here. I'm not going to do a screen recording, so let's type in sound. I'm getting SoundCloud, so let's type in recorder, voice memos. Alright, so I'm going to try it with voice memos and see if it works. So click on voice memos. This is the first time I'm using it, so I'm going to set it up, hit continue, because if you don't continue then you can't continue. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit don't allow. I don't want my location. I'm gonna hit tap and record a memo. So first thing first, I want to do, just to make sure that it is actually picking up the microphone, I'm gonna go ahead and plug up my microphone and play a recording and see how that sounds. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now this is with the microphone out, so let's go hit record. Testing 1 2 3. You can see the waveforms going up as I'm talking. Testing 1 2 3 5 4 3 2 1. Test. How do I sound? Can you hear me? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and play that over right now. Let me turn up my phone real quick and play it over so you guys can hear it. Testing 1 2 3. You can see the waveforms going up as I'm talking. Testing 1 2 3 5 4 3 2 1. Test. How do I sound? Can you hear me? Alright guys, so after playing that, there's two things to notice. The audio is pretty fine, and I would not be surprised because it is the iPhone 12. It is the latest at the moment, so you should expect some crispy audio from it. But what you also hear, you can hear my computer in the background frying if you guys listen closely. Also, what you guys also need to know, will this make a difference, or will it just make sense to just use your iPhone audio? That is the big question, because that's some real nice audio we just heard a while ago. So I'm gonna plug it in and let's test it out real quick. So let's plug it in right in front of you guys' eyes. Plug it in right there. Boom, fits in place. Let you guys see my screen here. I'm gonna hit record. Bam. So now I'm talking right inside of the mic. I'm stop talking. Let's make sure there's not any frying when I'm not talking. So I'm gonna stop talk right now. And clearly you can see that the waveform is pretty much dead when I'm stopped talking, which is good news, so there's no feedback. And just to make sure that this is exactly into the microphone, I'm gonna tap in the microphone right now. So you see when I tap in the microphone, it actually bring up the waveform. So with that said, I'm just gonna stop this recording and let's listen it. This should be pretty exciting to hear. Alright, so this is the recording with the mic, so let's play it right away. So now I'm talking right inside of the mic. I'm stop talking. Let's make sure there's not any frying when I'm not talking, so I'm gonna stop talk right now. And clearly you can see that the waveform is pretty much dead when I'm stopped talking, which is good news, so there's no feedback. And just to make sure that this is exactly into the microphone, I'm gonna tap in the microphone right now. So you see when I tap in the microphone, it actually bring up the waveform. So with that said, I'm just gonna stop this recording and let's listen it. This should be pretty exciting to hear. Alright guys, so two things that I noticed. I talk too close to the microphone, which is not a fault in the microphone. It's just that I literally put my mouth close to the microphone, so that is a bad start. So I'm gonna correct that by pinning it onto my shirt like how a interviewer will normally do it, and see how do I sound, and try not to talk directly inside of the mic and see if that would make anything better. But overall it sounds really good. You can see that it literally amplifies your voice, which is what a mic should actually do. A mic is not just for recording, it should be able to amplify your voice, and I like the fact that it did that. But I'm not that satisfied with that recording just because I was talking directly into it. And my main goal was to actually use this mic and record YouTube videos voiceover when I'm on the road. So this kind of seems like I could be able to do it. Like I could be able to put out videos while I'm on the go. So I'm pretty excited for that, and I'm just gonna do a next test. even though that test shows that it actually works just by plugging it in. Because I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this before. Have you ever like bought a microphone and when you plug it in, it like either shorts out, like skips the song, start playing songs, start making calls and all, doing all kind of weird stuff, not doing what it is exactly bought to do. So I'm just gonna plug it in again and give it a next try. Again, the company name is COMICA, and thanks to them for sending out. I'll be leaving a link down below so you guys can go check it out. It will be a affiliate link, which means I will get a percentage if you purchase something when you click on that affiliate link. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. If you do click on the affiliate link and purchase something, thank you in advance. So I'm gonna plug it in again with that said and give it a final test, and it will be that. So let's plug it in. Alright guys, so this recording that I'm gonna do, it is pinned on my shirt, and I pin it on just like a interviewer would pin it on in the interviews that you see on TV or on YouTube. And it should not sound that much close and what you would say distort, what's the word, distort and all those stuff. It should be better, even a little bit better, but overall it works and I'm satisfied with that. So let's get it working. So let's click record. Hello everyone, today I'm back with the next video, and today I'll come to talk about the COMICA microphone for iPhone. So just testing the audio here. How do I sound? Do I sound any better? And all those stuff. But that's it. I think I'm saying enough right now. I'm just gonna hit stop and hear how it works. So stop and let's hear that recording right away. Hold on, I need to plug this out so I can hear it. So let's bring it back and hit play. Hello everyone, today I'm back with the next video, and today I'll come to talk about the COMICA microphone for iPhone. So just testing the audio here. How do I sound? Do I sound any better? And all those stuff. But that's it. I think I'm saying enough right now. I'm just gonna hit stop and hear how it works. So alright guys, so two things that I noticed: it did sound better, but I'm still hearing my computer, which I think is kind of hard to get rid of because the room that I'm in, it is not soundproof. I don't have any sound absorbent, what do you call those sponge that you see YouTubers use and all those stuff. It is just a normal room, and I'm literally beside my computer. As you guys can see, my computer is right there. I'm literally beside it, so I don't think I can really fix anything about it. I think it is what it is. If you're in a quieter room, you will definitely be getting some crispier audio, and if you're doing some interviews on the road, you can definitely get some good audio from it because it will be definitely right on your shout, so the audience will definitely be hearing you. But don't be surprised if you hear a little bit of background noise, but they will be definitely hearing you loud and clear enough. But that's pretty much it. I'm definitely going to be using this to make videos on the go and make recordings and voiceover on the go when I'm on the road and want to make a video and can't get home in fast. Just edit it on my phone and upload it on YouTube for you guys to see real quick. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys for your support, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to get in stuff like these sending to me. So thank you guys for watching. Until my next video guys, comment down below what are your thoughts. Did you get it, or are you thinking about getting it, or let me know what are your thoughts on this earphone. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.